You guys, welcome to Jay's Journal. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look using this wig from Amazon. If you guys want to see how I achieved this, then please continue to watch. I will give a disclaimer. There was some trial and error in here because I do not apply wigs. Normally, I'm just a sewing girl or quick weave or something like that. I'm not a wig connoisseur. I don't know much about wigs, but I feel like this turned out pretty freaking good today. So if you guys want to see how we achieved this, then please continue to watch.
I see a Florida, baby. And she love it when the sun comes out. Sweetheart, but the dark comes out. Sometimes, she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You don't even got no faith, but she ain't living check to check.
So starting off, I've already washed the wig. I've already washed my wig and put on my little ball cap. I have some Pencil Pro Styler by Kiss. This is one of the really tiny little flat irons for baby hairs, and I always see people use it, so I'm going to use what everybody else uses. I've already pressed around the hairline of the wig because I see people do that as well. And I love that it has this little band in there. I feel like I should cut the lace off first, in the back at least. Let's try that. So I have my little scissors here. These are not hair shears. These are beauty shears, stuff that you can use that I personally use to trim down my lashes and stuff. So I see that there's an ending on both sides. So there's a seam here and a seam there, and this is the back of the wig. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this lace in the back, honestly, because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just cutting it off entirely. Let's go ahead and cut this off. Alrighty, so the back lace is gone. I have these temporary hair colors by Kiss. So I want to see what they spray out as and to see if I can use this to tint my lace. Oh, that's gold. This is actually gold. So this is a medium brown one. I have not opened these before. No, I thought I was going to be able to use one of these to tint the lace, but that's clearly not the case. So what I'm going to do instead is take one of my makeup brushes, and this is actually a dirty makeup brush. It has my foundation on it, and what I'm going to do is just smear that on the lace, especially where I plan to part it, because I'm afraid to go on with a fresh amount of foundation or concealer that I see people using, because I just feel like, since I don't know what I'm doing, I feel like it's a little bit more controlled, being as though this is just some residue on my foundation brush. I'm just smudging this in here because I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't want to pretend like I do, but I just want to see how beginner friendly this is. And I'm probably not going to apply makeup on the ball cap because I don't know if you're supposed to do both, but some people don't. I think it just varies on the person. So I've smeared some of my makeup in here. Hopefully that did something. I don't know if it did. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to pop the wig on. I don't know what I'm doing. And I guess you could put the back combs in. I don't know if I should. I don't really have braids, so I'll just tuck it under my hair. This is what it's looking like when I put it on. I'm just pulling it down. I want to know how they measure these. Am I supposed to stretch this to fit my hairline? Let me see. Is my head big? I'm trying to understand. Let's clip it away. It's big though. I love that it's big. I will say that. And I brought the cap down further than my hairline because I just don't know if I want this stuff on my hairline. So here's the thing. If I glue this down like that and I glue... See, I can't. Oh wait, maybe I can. So I'm going to do what I see people doing, and that's cutting over the brow, going above the arch, because they say to glue it down in segments above this arch. I definitely don't know if it's the size of the wig or what. Let me see. I don't know. It seems fine. Maybe because I also don't have my front. I don't have any combs in my actually attached to my head. So let me try this again. And I need to actually go get my blow dryer as well. I feel like for this, I'm going to need to do one side, glue that down, spray it down with the holding spray, blow dry it, let it do its thing. And then I can clean my wig cap right here, but I'm not really pressed about that. And then I gotta do the same thing over here. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to go get my blow dryer. So I have my blow dryer here. I hope that my extension cord and surge protector are strong enough for me to have all this stuff connected in one spot. So first things first, let's go ahead and pull this down to where I want it to be, which would probably be right here. And then we're gonna spray. I'm not even sure how I'm supposed to do this, but I'm just gonna spray pretty much where I want my wig to be, right? And then I'm going to blow dry it. So I guess this side is good for now. It may still be drying a little bit. I don't feel any wet spots. And then I do have some lace that's right here on top of my ear. That needs to go for sure. Let's do this other side. Let's try this side. We have the other side down as well. And this stuff is pulling my eyes back. Is this why girls always look so snatched when they have wigs on? Goodness gracious. Let's do this part. Middle section. And this is all I'm doing is spray. I'm not doing no wig glue because I don't know what I'm doing if I start doing all that. I already don't know what I'm doing, but I feel like I could get away with this rather than the glue. I still cannot believe I have a wig on. This is crazy. Let's start to cut a little bit of this lace off. My hairline is not this far up, but it's okay because it's gonna be covered. Again, this is trial and error, still learning. We gotta hook this up. I am still an artist at the end of the day, so we gotta make it do what it do. And I really wish I hadn't have brought it down as low, but I honestly, because I had baby hairs earlier today, I didn't even slick my hair back the way you're supposed to. I literally plucked all my baby hairs back, and I just really didn't want it to be on my baby hairs. So this is what's going on right now, because that's how I wear my natural baby hair. That's how I wear my hair. So you guys, I feel like I'm so snatched back. My eyebrows. What's going on? Do you guys see this? Y'all, let's hope I can do this right. So getting back into this. Oh my God. We're gonna have to hide that. Again, y'all know I'm new to this. I don't know what I'm doing. So y'all gotta bear with me and help me out. Y'all supposed to be telling me what to do, because I am not trying to be walking around here looking crazy. I made my forehead too small. You guys, so if you can tell, I made some tweaks to the wig because I was not liking how it looked. I felt like it was very, like I wasn't doing as good of a job as I could. So what I did was I took the wig off, right? I took the wig off, I redid the cap, I moved it back. I just sprayed it down with the Got To Be spray that I showed you guys. And I put makeup on the actual wig cap instead of skipping steps. I just went ahead and did it. So I put actual full coverage makeup from MAC on the wig cap. I put some inside of the actual wig on the lace. And I really melted in the wig cap this time. I went in and I pulled some hair, pulled it forward, a very thin line of hair, and I actually went in and plucked away some of the hairs from the hairline so it wasn't as thick and bulky looking, because I was like, oh my God, girl, we gotta fix this. This looks a mess. And I just laid down the lace. It was already clipped, and that actually made it much easier, so I'm happy about that. I redid the little edges that I had out. So what do you guys think is looking like so far? I feel like it looks much better. I also went in with the little razor comb, the angle, and just went down to add a little bit of light layers around the face, but I feel like it looks so much better. And I also wasn't feeling it being straight, so I just took a blow dryer to the hair, and I'm going in with these wavers that I have. These are by Remington, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut these on. Oh, wrong button. Now they're on, and I'm gonna cut them all the way up to 410. And you can see my makeup's different. It's because I redid my makeup too. I actually applied the wig before I put on makeup. So we're just correcting, we're just making things better this time around, because I really feel like whatever I did was not looking good, and the lace was just not melting. It just was not looking very good at all. I also went into the part with a little bit of the foundation as well. I didn't want to go ham and do anything too crazy, so I didn't apply a really big amount or anything like that, but I wanted something to blend it into my skin better. At first I was like, oh my God, it's the wig. The wig just ain't working. No, it was me, and I just needed to stop trying to skip all the steps. But it's literally looking so much better, you guys. I was gonna post me looking like that with that wig. That's an absolute no. I was like, ooh, Jay, don't do that to yourself. So now it looks so much better. It's not like super chunky lace in the front anymore. So honestly, I'm just really happy that I was able to finesse this much better, because I was like, oh my God, what is this? What did I do? And I thought I was eating. I was not eating. It was starving, actually. And I'm already on a fast. What? I couldn't believe I did that. It did not look good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wave the hair up, because I feel like that's going to be really cute. And that is the vibe I'm going for today. I want to see what this hair looks like and how it holds a curl without me applying product and stuff like that. And it's set to a deeper wave. You can twist the nozzle on the top to make it a little looser, make it a little tighter. This hair must be wet a little bit right there. It definitely was. Y'all, the way that I was about to post this video, and I knew, I was like, this ain't it, Jay. This is not it. You might want to try to fix that. And I told y'all, I'm much newer to the, okay, period. That's really cute. I'm much newer to wig application and everything like that. I'm not like someone who's had tons of practice. I've done the synthetic wigs, and I'm like, oh, this is cool. But like actually going in and applying a wig, for real, no. Something that doesn't require me to have to customize my hairline and stuff like that. I've had one wig that was actually really good. It was like bob wig, and I was able to customize the lace and everything like that. The only reason why I don't still have that is because I ripped the lace. Because again, I'm really rough when it comes to hair, and no, it just, I messed it up. So that was on me, but it's fine. So now we're giving this one a try. It's like, why not? An Amazon wig, let's give it a try. Honestly, I like the way this hair feels. I'm really liking these highlights as well, so I'm gonna wear it like this for a while, but I'm definitely gonna wind up dyeing it jet black. I typically don't do the honey blonde gingery kind of colors because I feel like it just blends into my skin tone, but I really like this, especially for the summer. I feel like giving it like that nice little brown and chocolate and the little caramel highlights, I feel like it looks pretty good. It gives vacation, you know, it gives fun in the sun. These waves are actually turning out good. I think I actually feel cute today. When you haven't really been doing your biggest one for yourself and your self-care, that's how I feel. And I feel like, oh my goodness, I've actually done something right with the wig, and I'm happy about it. So I have no complaints with this right now. Let's go ahead and finish this up. And I'm not grabbing small chunks either. I'm grabbing some decent chunks of hair to curl. Flip this back there. And then as you can see, my lace, it goes back to right behind the ear across. So that is a good amount as well. And I'm not much of a middle part wearer. That's just really not my thing. Have I worn middle parts? Absolutely. And they looked okay at the time. But I just feel like for my face shape, side part is just, it suits me best. Okay. Let's go ahead and curl these last pieces over here. I've already done the back. I think I have like just 2 pieces up here in the front. I really like these wavers. I didn't know how I was gonna like them. I just saw them at Target one day, and I was like, you know what? Let me try these out. And I really like them. The hair curls really nice. It's waving up really nicely. I went and saw Deadpool and Wolverine last weekend, and I want to see it again now. It was so good. I saw it in 3D. I didn't realize I booked a 3D viewing of it, and I don't really like to have to wear those glasses the whole time. So this time I'm just gonna see if I can get a regular showing of the movie. It was so good, you guys. I'm going to go in with my Sebastian hairspray. I was able to find this at TJ Maxx for $5, so I bought 2 cans. Sebastian is that girl, if you didn't know. For anyone that grew up around a hairstylist, my mom was a hairstylist, and that's who I got it from. I'm gonna wave the very front part with a little bit of hairspray because I want it to have some height to it, so it's not just sitting directly on my face like that. Just like that. Let's go ahead and clip this like this. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it while the curls cool. And this is what the hair is looking like. Let me go ahead and spray this curl. It was me literally just not putting full effort into the application of this wig the first time. And now I feel so much better about it. You guys, look at these curls. Can you see these waves? Oh my goodness. I really like this actually now. I'm like, I thought I did something yesterday. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be the final look for the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and walking along with me with my trial and error. I really just needed to take my time and not rush through application of this wig because this actually looks really, really good. I'm very happy with the way that this wig turned out. I have no complaints. The hair is very, very soft and it curls very well. Do you guys see this? Do you see this? This curls very well. It has tons of body to it. And yeah, I will definitely be reapplying this in the future. I don't think I'm going to actually take it off today. I'm going to just leave this on and rock it. And yeah, because I just feel so cute, y'all. This is really, really cute. So, and I love this little peekaboo of color. If you have a part down the middle, you'll have color on both sides of your part. But I like how it's just like that little, you know what I'm saying, money piece when you just have it like to the side. But yeah, it's really, really cute. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below, and let me know what you think about this wig, and if there's some wigs that you guys maybe want me to try. Again, keep it inexpensive because I'm still a newbie to this, but I feel like this turned out pretty good. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.